Hey, what's up everybody? So we're going to do a quick video tutorial about how to use the Monday.com app when you're in the field. So let's just jump right into it. So if you go to the Monday.com app, it'll pull up a folder that looks like this or a board that looks just like this. And at the top you can see that there's three different options. There's the recent, favorites, and the My Boards. We're going to go to the My Boards section. If you go there, you can see more drop-down menus, and for now we're just going to jump into the drops. So when you go to the drops menu, there's also a subfolder that says Cruise. You're going to click on that one, and you should see your name here. But for today, what we're going to do is we're going to use Chewy as an example. So if you click on Chewy's name, you'll see that in his folder, I've already placed 4 different jobs, and we're going to use these 4 jobs as kind of our example today. So walking through each of the steps, you'll see that there's a status bar to the right of the job. And then you'll see that there's the city that the job is in, the job number, the order date, when we receive the job. You don't have to worry about the tech, that's more for office stuff and our information, I guess. But then there's also the bores, and we just kind of want to know how many you've done for each job. I'll show you how to take pictures of where you did bores a little bit later on. But then there's also a notes section just in case you need us to know something about the job. If the homeowner is being difficult or if you're having trouble getting in contact with them, you can kind of let us know there. And then there's just a little date section for us to know what date that job was completed on. But we'll jump back to the beginning. So uh, let's see, I guess we'll kind of start with the status bar. So let's say that this first job, when we got there, let's say that the customer canceled. So we'll say that through these options, you can kind of look through them if you want. But let's just say that this person canceled, we'll just click canceled. And then from this point, let's say we move to the second job. Um, we can click on working on it. As soon as we get there, we've talked to the homeowner and we are ready to go. We'll just click working on it, and that lets the office know or lets us know back here where you guys are at, or that you've been able to get in contact with the customer and you've been able to start working on that job. Um, and then once you're done with the job, though, what makes this nice is you can just click on it and then click done. And if you need us to know any more information about it, we'll just kind of walk through this one. Say, you had a bore for that option, so you'll just click one, and then in the top corner you'll click save, and that lets us know that there was a bore at that job. And let's say that for some reason that job took you a little longer than normal, you could just say there were trees in the way. And you can click save. I mean, that's a random thing, but yeah, you can put anything you want in the notes. Like you can let us know any kind of information we need to know about the customer. And then you don't necessarily have to worry about the completed date. If you want to put that in there, you can, or we can do that here at the office, but that's just more for our tracking information. And then going over the next thing, I guess we'll talk a little bit about how to do updates. So let's say for this next job, we'll click working on it. And let's say as we're finishing up the job or as we're about to get to the end of the job, something comes up. Let's say we hit a sprinkler line and it's the end of the day. Um, we need to come back tomorrow to finish it. We'll just click here, and then we'll say that we're just stuck on this job currently. And then to just kind of update us that maybe you hit a sprinkler or something like that, we'll use that as an example. If you look to the right of that, you'll see kind of like a little message bubble. If you click on that, it will give you the, oh, sorry. If you click on that, it'll give you the option to give us an update. So once you click on the bubble, it'll take you to a menu that looks like this. And in the bottom right corner, if you click the pencil button, it'll give you the option to write an update. And so if you see right above the keyboard in the right, there's the camera, there's something that looks like a page, and then something that looks like a picture. Either you can take a picture with the camera button, or you can use the portrait button to kind of look through one for a picture that you've already taken. But since I've already taken a picture, we'll use that. So if you click that one, you can see that there's kind of like a broken sprinkler picture right here. But let's say you have multiple pictures. If you look to the right of the picture, there's a little square, and if you hit that, it'll allow you to select multiple pictures. So we'll select both of these. In the top right corner, it says next. You'll just click that. And then you can write your update. You can say something like hit a, oh sorry, a sprinkler line. Um, and then we'll just say we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. And then as soon as you are done writing that and uploading the pictures, up in the top right corner, you can click the update button, and it'll let us know back here at the office what's going on. And then if we have anything that we need to let you guys know, or you have anything you guys need to let us know, we can kind of communicate back and forth on just this little app here. And then, so if we click the back button up here, you'll kind of see just how the information is laid out for us here at the office. We can kind of communicate a little bit more efficiently with you guys. We can see that a job was canceled. We can give you more jobs just here in this little folder for each and every one of you guys. So if that job's canceled, we'll remove it and we'll give you another one. If one job's done and you're ready for another one, we can give you that. If you're stuck on jobs, you can see that that little bubble there turned blue and it has a little 1 in it, and it lets us know that we can kind of look through the jobs and see that there's something going wrong. But yeah, for today, that's just kind of the update about how to use Monday.com, just the app when you're in the field, just about updates, notes, and any other information that would be helpful for you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching.